The atoms are considered as the building blocks of the world. For decades, scientists have been figuring out the reason behind their chemical bonding. For the first time, scientists have succeeded in capturing and filming a pair of rhenium Re atoms bonded together to form Re2. They used advanced electron microscopy methods to capture a moment that is around 500,000 times smaller than the width of a human hair. Scientists hope that electron microscopy will replace traditional methods for studying chemical reactions in the future. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Steam Daily newsletter for such amazing latest content on science and technology. Please also subscribe our YouTube channel. You can also visit us on steamdaily.com.